Hi guys, Merry Christmas. Today's Christmas and I'm very excited because today we're going to open some Adorables. I opened a Princess's Adorables and then I opened Ariel's Family. And now I'm going to open Encanto. So when you first open it up, it shows you the list. You can cross them off. I usually will just take them off. Alright. I'll show you. It looks like this. It's kind of cute. We're going to do number 1. Hopefully I can open them. The first number 1 was a Mirabelle. She's so cute. She's adorable. As adorables. I will show you them after I have them all opened. But I have lots of adorables. Louisa! She's so cute. I love all of Encanto. It's like one of my favorite movies and favorite shows. Oh, look, it's Bruno! That's so cool. We don't talk about Bruno. So we're gonna open number 4. Who's this? Oh, it's Mirabelle's mom. Belta? Julieta. It's Julieta. That's a cute name. I heard it in the movie. So this is my favorite character. Isabella! I love Isabella. She's like my favorite character. I was her in an Encanto play we did with my friends. And I was Peppa. She's like has orange hair. She is pretty cool. I was Peppa and Isabella in the play. It was so fun. Oh, it's Antonio. He's so cute. That's adorable. As adorable. I keep forgetting this is named Adorable, so I'm gonna have to say it. So excited. I'm Merry Christmas. Oh, look at Dolores. She's so cute. I used a different word. I used cute this time. Right. I'm on number 8. Camilo. He's the shank shipper. Camilo's pretty cool, but he doesn't have any glitter, so I feel bad. This one should be Peppa. Yep, it's Peppa. This is Peppa. I was her and Isabella. Alright, I'm going to show you the whole character again. Alright, so Dolores, Antonio, Camilo, Isabella, Peppa, Mirabelle, Luisa, Bruno. Bruno is really cool. And then Julieta. I know all the names except Julieta. Juliet. Wait, this is Julieta. So here's the guide. So that's the end. I'm just going to end the video. I hope you have a Merry, Merry Christmas. Oh, mission. I think the Encanto needs to open some presents. So, bye guys. Hope you have a Merry Christmas. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time at Ardella Plays. Smash that like button.